everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I feel so happy that the goods that we sent in Amazon before, that they are finally that the Amazon checked in these goods, and yeah, they are available to purchase now. So I want to share with you that what are the new items that are available to purchase in the Amazon. So this is the Slimline Inside Birthday Sentiment Stamp, which is perfect to fit on your Slimline cards. And this is the Slimline frame with flaps that you can make interactive cards. And here is the pop-up birthday die for the Slimline cards. And here is the perfume bottle. And here is the honeycomb nested die, and this bow die is also in this in the store now. So these are the new dies that are available. And also this candy holder, which is perfect for the Valentine's Day. And here is the photo corners, and this wrist watch shaker. And I know Kim made a great tutorial for this watch, and I will link her video in the description box. So definitely check her tutorial. I think it's fantastic. And also we have this girl gnome dies, and it's not only for Christmas, but I think it's also great to add in your spring projects. And there are some items that are restocked, like this A2 envelope die, and also here is the Christmas Slimline die. This die is now that we didn't sell it on AliExpress now, so if you want it, you can order it on the Amazon. And here is the teacup and the memory desk holder. And so you can see there are some more new dies here. So don't forget to check the link in the description box so you can see if there is any that you want to purchase and get them fast. And here is the bunting banners and the heart puzzles. And yeah, this is the gingerbread house shaker. They finally have it in the Amazon store. I have sent it about a month ago. Yeah, but they finally arrived in the house, so I feel so happy. Maybe you can tell it from my voice. And also here is the mitten glove, and these are big house box. And here is the oval Slimline die. And here is the milk carton box with drawers. And for this a Christmas tree memory desk die that I think a lady asked me in the Instagram that if it's available on Amazon. Now it's available. And here is the Slimline burlap background die. And also here is this A5 planner die, which is a big version. So it's for A5 planner. And here is the edge borders for the Slimlines. And this is A2 burlap. And also this carrying sentiments. And also the rosette and this window. Also this nesting stocking shaker also is available. And I have this coffee sentiment stamp. So there are so many new items in the store. And I will link the store link in the description box below. And you can also search KSCRAFT dies on the search bar of Amazon, and you will see the dies that we sell. They are titled with the KSCRAFT. So I think it's not very hard to find our dies. And again, thank you for your support in the past year, and happy holidays. So that's all for it today, and I will do the tutorial for that cut corner die later today, and I will show you maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow of the video. So I'll catch you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.